How to export CapCut projects to other devices. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export CapCut projects to other devices. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for CapCut application and look for updates. If you see any update option available, click on it to update your app. If not, open CapCut on your device. Once your CapCut is opened, then select the project that you would like to edit. Now, even though if you link two devices with your CapCut account, it is still not possible to export the editable format of your video. So the only way that you can do is to export the video from your device. After that, use social media platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram to share the video. Once the video is shared, then you can import it to CapCut on another device and start editing. However, you cannot export a project that you're still working on in CapCut and use other device to complete your edit. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.